what is good? My name is RomtFilms and welcome back to this channel. And also welcome back myself kasi matagal ako nawala. Also, welcome to my new studio. I mean, setup. To my finished setup. And this is how I made it. Welcome back to this channel. And also welcome back myself kasi matagal ako nawala. And yeah, it's over a month now that I've didn't upload for like 2 months na. And before ko nga pala ipakita yung the rest of my setup back here and I explain everything, I think I owe you guys an explanation kung bakit ako nawala for about 2 months. And yeah, basically I went for a hibernation for 2 months and rested myself physically, mentally, and spiritually. Wala akong ginawa, and I think it's a great source of inspiration and pagka wala kang iniisip and everything. Before my vacation, parang tinamaan din ako ng anxiety. Yeah, it affected me a lot, lalo na sa aspect ng creating, not only in making videos but also in making visual arts in my school, and also it affected my music. I haven't really grinded my music a lot. Yeah, thankfully I released my first song, which is streaming now on Spotify. Go check Nostalgic Rain out, and yeah, I hope you like it. And yeah, so yeah, basically I just rested myself and reflected on some things, took a step back. Yeah, I let myself do nothing and be lazy. It's a great experience kasi I felt the rest of my body, spirit, and soul. Kasi grinding too much is not really that good, kasi pag continuous ka lang nag-grind and parang dinisregard mo yung language ng katawan mo, pag dinisregard mo yun and you kept going, I'm very sure na masakit yung pagbagsak mo. Rest is really a valuable thing when it comes to artists and creatives. But yeah, I wrote so many songs at the time that I rested, and yeah, make sure na abangan yun. It's just a bit hard to release songs kapag independent artist ka, kasi ikaw lahat ng may hawak ng lahat ng production. I mean, so in producing, arranging, writing, marketing, social media, ikaw lahat ng gawa lahat nun. I think I've been watching too much anime recently, and yeah, nagustuhan ko rin yung Pokemon Unite. So kung may mga naglalaro dyan, sabihin niyo sa akin. Also, dahil matagal ako nawala, it's only right that I update you and show you the future headquarters na ginagawa na magiging studio/kwarto ko na. Super excited for this thing na matapos na. But, let me run you down sa setup ko to end all questions na mga nagtatanong kung ano ba yung gamit ko sa ganito, ano ba yung gamit ko sa ganyan. Itself. So this table is from Facebook Marketplace lang, at I bought it for 2,000, and it doesn't even look nearly as good as this right now. Ang baho niyang tingnan talaga. So it took me some time to customize and clean and paint this thing out. That B-roll from the first segment na nakita nyo is filmed 3 or 4 months ago na. And I haven't been leaking stuff on my social media kasi dahil dito sa video na to. But I got one problem on this desk. Na it's wiggly. Medyo magalaw siya. So I have to work on that. So at the time of making this desk, I am at the time of my life na sobrang stress ko sa school, sa mga client deadlines, at sa mga sermon sa akin everyday. So nag-swimming kami just to unwind and just feel good after ng mahabang oras na paggawa ko ng desk na to. I mean, just look at the smile on my face. We had a ton of fun. Kahit na ngayong tumanda ako at medyo nagsawa na ako sa swimming, I think it's still great. A 100% nakakapogi talagang slow-mo. So, nandito kami ngayon sa may pizzahan sa amin and yeah. Kain. Basta lang ako nag-video. Patapos na rin yung lamesa na ginagawa ko. Pagod na ako. Ngayon i-review natin at i-unbox ang pizza nila rito. Doog! Ayan, pakita mo. Doog! Ayan naman, kita nyo naman yung specs ng pizza. May onion, hot sauce. Ayan o, accessories niya yan. Hindi ko sasabing kumain kayo dito dahil hindi naman to sponsor. Pero
sa kanin parang magusto. Mabasa-basa pa din.
matabang. Hindi siya crush. Tin
malambot.
Ano, nagtatrabaho yan sa Greenwich. Master sa Greenwich yan. Ano masasabi mo?
Yung dough, hindi masyadong
Okay, huwag nyo na akong i-sponsorin. Nabas ka rin kayo. So, for the wall, I painted it last week lang. And I painted it gray, dark gray. So, ito yung mga plate ko nung nasa architecture pa ako. Pwede natin gawing pangsalag ng pinturang tutulo sa baba. And yeah, nagkamali pa ako yung binili ko and glossy ang nabili ko. Kaya, look at that shiny boy. It's freaking shining, bruh. So, for that thing right there, it is the Telecaster na recently na binili ko. It's a Clifton Telecaster. Yeah, I bought it from Lazada. Also, that guitar right there is my old guitar na nagamit ko. And also from Lazada, it's a Phoebus baby guitar. Puro mumurahin lang yung mga gamit ko dito. Spoiler alert. I guess sa mga paintings na yun, those are my work before. Dati nakalagay dyan yung mata na nagawa sa kape. And I removed it and exchanged it to my owl drawing. For the setup, I have an ordinary mouse pad lang din sa Lazada na tigko 150 lang. And for the keyboard, I have here a Royal Clutch review coming up soon. And I freaking love this keyboard right here. It's a wireless one and also sobrang mura. I definitely would recommend this. Abangan yung review. And also this keyboard, it is a mechanical wireless keyboard. And also you can use it wired via USB-C through its charger. So gamer ka, then it's... And for the mouse is a Tilex. It's kind of an MX Master clone-ish, but not really. But ay, puro gas-gas na. Yeah, it's pretty beat up and matagal na rin to sa akin. Mumurahin lang din ito, but at this time speaking, biglang tumaas yung presyo. Before nabili ko lang to at 300. Ngayon nasa 1.5 na to. Really love this mouse. And yeah, also this mouse is powered by 2 AAA batteries. So pagka nalobat ka, so kailangan mong bumili ng separate batteries. So yeah, that's quite of a hassle. So right there is my MIDI slash drum pad, MIDI player, MIDI keyboard. And yeah, mumurahin lang din. It is a Panda Mini MIDI. Worldy yung brand niya, Worldy. That thing right there is cable organizer. Also bought from online. Mga budol guys natin dyan from Lazada. So don't worry, I'm definitely gonna link all these things down in the description below if you are interested in one. I have no affiliate links, so yeah, feel free to check them out. Ito, this is a boom arm, a elbow boom arm, also from Lazada, tag 250 lang yan. And a BM800 na microphone. Kala nyo naka AT&T na ako, no? Ay, AT&T, AT2020. Pinapangarap ko pa rin siya hanggang ngayon. BM800 with a pop filter na naka-curve. Kung po natawag dyan. And a U-Green cable. Yeah, kakapalit ko lang ng cable, so flex. Love U-Green. Kung nanonood kayo, shout out. Pangalan nito, audio interface, it's an M Audio Duo track. M Audio Duo. And of course this M Audio interface, basically it's just a converter na pwede mong isaksak yung mga electric guitars mo, mga instruments, and microphones. And yeah, this microphone right here is plugged into this. And what it does is, parang ano lang siya, connector ng mga instrument mo to your computer so you can use and edit your audio on your computer. This is ito na yata yung pinaka-favorite ko dito sa buong setup ko is this thing. It's not really wireless. The cable is detachable. Yeah, it's an Audio-Technica M40X. And I haven't made a review yet. Review soon. Yeah, so lulusaw na nga oh. Sobrang overused. Usually use this every day for like a year. Of course, this audio monitor is not a regular headphone if plano mo kumuha or nabudol kita. So this is a flat response monitor and it is good for producing and mixing. You cannot expect an enhanced music while listening to this headphones. Ang frequency response niya is walang boosted high or bass. So it is a flat response. That way mas magiging accurate yung maririnig mo na music. So mas madaling mag-mix. So, ano pa yung papakita ko? This cup, it's from a local supermarket. This is small black cup. Fits with the aesthetic. And yeah, I think that is it for the setup. So sa lahat na pwede kong makalimutan, nakalimutan ko yung pinaka-importante. Ito ang and it is the computer itself. And itong laptop na to is the FX 505DY from Asus and it's mid-gaming range na laptop. So whenever I edit, it's still not quite there in terms of speed and performance. So medyo naghihingalo pa rin siya kapag nag-edit ako ng mga videos ko. Also itong laptop na to ay nakapatong siya sa isang laptop riser. So ergonomically correct ang aking posture. It will not cause much strain kapag matagal kang maharap sa computer. So yeah, I hope I cleared things up sa mga marami nagtatanong about my setup. Sana wala lang mag-comment about my setup uli. So thank you so much for sticking out through the rest of this video and also regarding sa music video of my song Nostalgic Rain. Hindi ko pa rin siya nakakalimutan. I hope napatawad nyo ako na nauna pang lumabas yung setup video sa music video. It is stuck in production kaya I'm still not sure when it will be out soon, but I hope it is very very soon kasi maraming na yung nagtatanong and I'm so pressured to make this video. Yeah, I'm glad na yung feedback dun sa Nostalgic Rain is very very positive and even Kuya I promoted it and used my own song on his video. And also to you guys na nagustuhan yung kanta ko, I really want to thank you guys individually. Yeah, thank you so much sa overwhelming support on my music and I hope you still support my music. Sa susunod na chapter, susunod na mga music kong ilalabas, follow me on Spotify. Stream Nostalgic Rain kung hindi mo pa napapakinggan. Nostalgic Rain, link in the description. I still have so much in my mind na gagawing video, so stay tuned on this channel. Hindi pa rin ako nawawala, nandito pa rin ako, hindi ko kayo nalimutan. I love you all guys and thank you for the overwhelming support. I thank you. I am really grateful for all of you. Thank you guys. Bye.